Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI Translate in real time on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into settings. Now here in the settings, we want to go to Next AI, and here we have AI Translate. As you guys can see, we got the voice choose, so we can choose male. And as you guys can see, the selected voice only supports text in simplified Chinese and English. And here we can download the offline packages, for example. And here are all of the options. So we got English to Spanish, for example, or Spanish to English. We got Chinese to German. We got English to Vietnamese, and English to Indonesian, for an example. So we got the package. Now what we want to do is we want to use it. Let's go over and we're going to open up the Translate app right now. So we got the Translate app, and what are we going to do is we can choose either the conversation or live screen. Live translation. We have the live option, and here we can choose English to let's say we can use Polish, and we can click done. Now we want to press this little microphone icon and we can start. Hello everybody, welcome back. And as you guys can see, it works just fine. It is also recording my voice, and everything is here. So the live translation works. We are basically using an AI translate tool in real time, and the accuracy of it is amazing. It's incredible. And now we can stop here, so we can pause it, and it is really good. That's how it works. And you can also use it in a conversation with somebody. So for example, we talk, now we stop talking, and now it should pop up. Now it is basically the same, and we can play it in Chinese. We can change it, so we can say something in Chinese now. Of course it won't work properly. Here we got it. It changed the let's say the pulse here. Now that's basically how the entire translate works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.